Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix HDMI no signal on PS5. Alright, let's begin. HDMI no signal on PS5 usually happens due to an incorrect HDMI input, a faulty cable, unsupported video settings, or an HDMI port issue. First, check your TV input using the remote and select the HDMI port where the PS5 is connected. Wait a few seconds. If nothing appears, turn off the PS5 and TV, unplug the HDMI cable from both ends, wait 10 seconds, then reconnect it firmly. If possible, replace the cable and test again. Try a different HDMI port on your TV. If the problem continues, the PS5 resolution may not match your TV. Turn off the PS5, then press and hold the power button till you hear 2 beeps to enter safe mode. Connect the controller with a USB cable. Press the PS button, select Change Video Output, then change resolution. Choose Automatic or 1080p. If needed, set HDCP to 1.4. So that's basically how you can fix HDMI no signal on PS5. That's it for this video. Thanks.